Hi, I'm Alex Willis, and today we're going to be talking about the Omega process from start to finish. What does that look like? All the way from that initial conversation down the line to install day, and even a little bit past that. Now, when you partner with Omega, we try to make it as easy and collaborative as possible. And yes, I say collaborative because we want you guys to be involved throughout that process, because at the end of the day, it is your IT, and we want to do everything that we can to meet those expectations and also exceed them. So we came up with a 6-step process that hopefully is going to lead you through and give you a better idea of what we're going to do. So the first step is the first step is very basic. It's just a conversation, whether that be over the phone, at our office, your office, coffee shop. We are in the Kalamazoo area, so we could take you to a brewery, show you around as well. It's just to get a general feel of your business, what you're looking for from an IT aspect, and to make sure that you're a fit for us. Not everybody is a fit, and we're going to be honest with you and make sure that we can help you reach those goals. And that also helps us get prepared for step number 2. So after that initial conversation, if we decide that we're a good fit to move forward, we're going to send out one of our project guys, sometimes 2 of our project guys, to walk through your office. And they're going to do 2 things. They're physically going to walk through and look at computers, and they're also going to sit down with the same person that we had the conversation in the beginning to go through any softwares that we should be aware of. And then they're also going to check the network to make sure that there is so many computers that we saw with our eyes that are also connected to the network, and also some security on the background to know what we're working with to go in. And also that leads us into step 3. This is where the really geeky stuff starts to happen, so I can only speak so much to it. But our project guys do an amazing job with this and also take it very seriously. And this is the IT analysis step. So they're taking in all those factors from that initial conversation to their walkthrough with their network check and devising a plan that's fit just for your business. Because here at Omega, we don't believe in cookie cutter solutions. And that leads us into step 4. Once our project team has finished that plan of attack, they'll then hand it off to the sales and marketing team, which is going to make it a whole lot easier for you guys to understand. Once that's done, we'll reach back out to you to set an appointment for you to come into the office with your top decision makers so we can sit down and present those findings and also go through the proposal step by step of what we're offering to make your IT situation a whole lot better. And also, on top of that, of course, is the price. And if everything checks out for you guys, we can then move on to step 5. Now for the paperwork. It's pretty self-explanatory. We'll send you over the contract. It's not real paperwork because it's all digital. We wouldn't be a real tech company if we were sending you over paper. So we do everything online. Read through it, take your time, make sure everything's in there that you want to be in there. All of our KPIs are laid out so you can see that in everything that we're providing you. And if that is all good, digitally sign it, send it over, and then we're ready for step 6. Step 6 is by far the most exciting step in the process, and that is install day. Now between step 5 and step 6, there is a little bit of a buffer because we have to order your equipment and also set it up in the background. So that takes about 3 weeks to a month. But during that time, our client success manager will be in touch with your point of contact, hashing out a day where our team can come in like Santa Claus and replace all of your old technology with your new equipment. So when you come in the next day, we have a project guy that's on site all day long to answer any questions that you have. Also bringing mouse pads and the onboarding guide to lead you through how to reach out to the help desk and also answer any basic IT questions you have. And after that, that's really it. So if you have any other questions about our process and what that looks like, feel free to reach out. But in the meantime, we look forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you.